It's Force 13's regional AU channel with the latest on the national weather scene for Friday the 10th of November. Severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for heavy rainfall for the northern rivers, mid-north coast, northern Tablelands, New South Wales. Severe thunderstorms have developed in the northeast of the state. Heavy rainfall is possible. Severe thunderstorms likely to produce heavy rainfall may lead to flash flooding in the warning area over the next several hours. Locations which may be affected include Wollongong, Chakadjeri, Cambodia, I haven't got the pronunciation rights for them, Daigo and Ebor. A moist and unstable air mass again in the northeast of the state, causing the development of slow-moving thunderstorms. And it's daylight saving time once again, and at the time of doing this update, which is midday here in Queensland, and 1300 hours daylight saving time. Bureau issued the warning about 15 minutes ago, which would have made it at about 11:45. Queensland, 1:45 daylight saving time. On the screen is the current scene via the Darwin radar. So we've got another round of severe thunderstorm activity, and looking back at the news 24 hours ago, massive line of storms marched across eastern New South Wales, and starting off in the central region, reaching Sydney mid-afternoon and bringing with it heavy rainfall, strong gusty winds and hundreds of thousands of lightning strikes. This was a storm front that looked as spectacular on weather images or radar images as it did in the sky, with shower clouds heralding the arrival of a wild afternoon. State Emergency Service received over 100 calls for assistance. Now here's a look at the storm probabilities from 10 a.m. through to 2200 hours tomorrow. And following on from the storm probabilities, we have a look at the pressure and precipitation. And quite a bit of low pressure activity over Australia, and this is impacting the El Nino. We're not in a full-blown El Nino. This one is completely different, and you can clearly see where the activity is going to be over the next several hours, or 28 hours. And the precipitation at the bottom of the screen, left hand side, and some nice rainfall is on the radar. There's a strong wind warning for Tasmania's lower east coast, and a similar warning but expanded one for Tasmania Saturday. Fire weather warning South Australia's eastern Eyre Peninsula, the lower Eyre Peninsula fire weather districts. Western Australia's got a strong wind warning for the Perth local waters, Nigaloo, Gascoyne, Geraldton, Lasserson, Perth, Bunbury geographic coast. And there's nothing going on here in Queensland. Victoria's got a strong wind warning east Gippsland coast, and a similar one for Saturday. And on the screen, the latest rainfall outlook from the Bureau of Meteorology. At the time of doing this update, it's 23.8 Sydney, 30.3 Melbourne, 25 Brisbane, 18.8 Perth, 39.2 Adelaide, 27 Hobart, 25.9 Canberra, 24.2 in Darwin. Possible shower, a storm for Darwin, partly cloudy for Canberra, sunny for Hobart, the same Adelaide, the same Perth, partly cloudy, possible shower for Brisbane, sunny Melbourne, partly cloudy Sydney, and 10.6 millimetres of rain recorded in Darwin.